What's going on, losers?
Hey.
I'm here with my sister Jacqueline. She's gonna talk to you guys today, tell you what we're doing. Let's follow her out.
Hey guys, let's go. Okay guys, so we're taking about a mile walk all the way over here to this lovely hunk of junk. Okay, it's actually pretty cute. This is my car. It's a 2003 Subaru Impreza wagon. No, it's not. Wait, yes it is.
It's a WRX.
Yeah,
Just say it's a WRX.
it's a WRX.
There you go.
Originally it was a donut car for that car, but we don't need to talk about it. No one cares about it anymore. I went up to Phoenix to Copart. Yeah. It was about $3,000, right? Yeah. And I'm about 47.
Spent about $1,000 in parts so far.
Yeah, I spent about $1,000 in parts so far. As you can see, it got hit. It got hit, so I bought a hood for it so that we can get it straightened out. I also bought some other parts for it, like a radiator, an AC condenser, a timing belt kit, a engine, right, or motor. So what did I buy?
I don't know, neither one of those.
What was
fenders
dead?
And bumpers.
What was dead?
The battery.
Yeah, the battery. That's it. It's black right there because Levi spray painted it.
Levi spray painted it a lot.
Right there.
Over here.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of parts for this car. There's also parts in this car for the other car, but we got the bumper here, fenders. This is the bumper to the other car. There's headlights. That's a headliner to the other car and some stuff for the coupe. But anyways, a lot of parts in here. And then Jacqueline has a lot of parts inside. That's where she's got the radiator, timing kit, lateral links. So this is really annoying to me. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that wheel's like towed out real bad. When they lifted the car, let's see if you can see it. No, you guys can't see it. Anyways, when they lifted the car with the front end loader, I pulled my mic off. Anyways, so that's what they did. It's going to the frame shop. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it run, because it does run. It just needs a battery. And we're gonna load it up on the trailer and get it ready for the frame shop.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna install a battery. I don't know how to do this, so bear with me. First, you put the hood up. Then you have your brother take that red thing off and place it inside.
All right, come on.
And then I walk over.
So this is your ground, okay?
Okay.
Negative, okay?
Yeah.
So that goes on there.
Okay.
Now you're gonna take that and you're gonna tighten up that nut.
This one?
Yep.
Is it towards the right?
Yep.
Okay.
Get it on there.
Is it on?
Do we need to get a deep socket?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Okay, this is the sketchy one, because now the car's grounded. So
Okay.
as soon as you touch this is hot. So if you touch anything metal with that, it's gonna spark.
Okay.
Okay? So we're gonna stick this on. Like that. And now you tighten up that nut. Don't be
Okay.
a sissy about it. Get in there and get it tight.
You just said it was gonna spark at me.
Yeah, if you touch metal, don't touch metal. Oh, good, good.
Good. Okay.
Alright. That's how you put in a battery.
Guys, that's how you put in a battery.
You don't have a strap here to strap it down? That's okay. We can get one later.
Just
I
hang
also
tight,
just
buddy.
realized you're missing windshield wipers, which is funny. But anyways, so that's how you put in a battery, okay?
Thanks.
Nice.
Hang tight, buddy.
So you gotta do it until you hear the air, and then get it to stop. So what's
28.
it? 28. So it doesn't need much. Hold it down, count to 3, and see what it is. 1, 2, 3. Do it for another second. Okay.
35.
0.8. Close enough to 36.
That was 0.5.
Whatever. Close enough.
There's Bugsy.
We good?
A little bit more. I think right there.
Alright guys, thank you for hanging out with us. We got the car on the trailer. We're gonna go drop it off at the body shop tomorrow. So next time you see us, it'll be straight and it'll be good to go, I think. We'll be ready to put other parts on. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.